And here we are, Toluna.com or us.toluna.com. And I'm going to go to sign in. And I believe that this is the account information. Okay, it wants the street signs. Okay, so let me try to get this. What's the storefront? Okay, hopefully we will be getting into the account. Here we go. Sorry for that little bit of issue. And here, as you can see, this is the account name on the close to the upper right, and it has the amount of points. And then it says for rewards. If you look all the way down on the left side from the top to the bottom, there's community, and then you have another one that says surveys. And if you go down, you could take surveys by clicking these buttons. That says one says beverage consumers start survey up to 60 points. If you see that in the going down just a little bit, you see it. It's kind of in an orange colored area. Going below, there's business, finance, or lifestyle consumer topics up to 2,500 points or up to 2,000 points. These are things you click on and you could take surveys. You also have different posts here from people. If you look as I scroll up and down, and there's more surveys you could take. There's people that put in posts and you could respond to them. You could vote on different things as they want opinions. Then you have, there's a search, a little, what do you call it? It's for search. It's a micro, what do you call it? It's like one of those things that you do to to search for something, and it's on the near the upper right, and right next to it there's a symbol which I honestly don't know what that is, but there's a little sort of an arrowy thing, and as you see that I click on it, okay, and it's supposed to open up. It actually looks like under the name that's on the account. There's this looks like a weird thing, but it's in a smaller version in another place here, and let's see if it'll let me. Okay, if it won't, I'm clicking on the rewards, and hopefully this will take me. Okay, so now here, it took me to where there's the rewards area, but it's not really. I clicked on the reward center. If you didn't see that, there was a reward center button. And so now here I am in all the rewards, and here it says reward center. And here are the different rewards. If you hit the sort of like facing arrow and you knock it down, it shows all the rewards as, okay, lo and behold, a fidget spinner. Very interesting. And you have all these gift cards that you can see. And then you also have PayPal is listed here as I'm touching. And you have, there's the Amazon gift card if you see it. And so forth. There's many. And if I click back up, here is for sweepstakes that you have a monthly $4,500 drawing, and you also have, looks like this month anyway, for a Samsung LED TV that you can win. Then you have the gifties, and this is one thing I talked about with the gifties, and these are virtual, and there were so many points. So you have at the beginning, you have where you could win these really high-end prizes: Samsung Gear 2 smartwatch, a Fitbit One. But then you have these little ones that are for 50 points, 75 points, 100 points as I scroll along. And so let's say, for instance, I want to win a $25 Shutterfly gift card. I click on it. And then basically you type in, if you want to send it to a friend for them to possibly win it, their username or your own, which would be your own username as on this account. And you could say something if you want. And then basically you hit send. And it will email to whoever what you did, that you got a gifty, and then on the website it will give you the option to see if it's real or stays virtual. If it stays virtual, then you just lose the points, and that is the way that is. Here are some winners that won. As you can see, they won the different sweepstakes, or they won the different things. And so basically, that's going to be the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I thought I'd at least be able to touch on a couple of the different survey sites that I had talked about and be able to show you uh, basically what you can do on some of these sites when you join. And I'm trying to recall, see if I can go back to just real quickly. This is going back to the main page, not the home page of the site, but okay, I guess I can't do what I'm wanting to do, which would be if you're on the main page after logging out, let's say, then you could sign up, and it's pretty straightforward. It had a place there that said for signing up, I believe it was. And so anyway, I'm going to end this video on that note. Okay, well, please leave comments, anything. If you want to say something, I'm here to listen. So thank you.